All right, so the last thing we need to look at is locating the center of enlargement. The last thing we have to look at is locating the center of enlargement. All right, we already discussed this principle. The principle here is that the line connecting corresponding points on the object and the image is a straight line that passes through the center of enlargement. So that is the principle, and I already showed it to you on the previous page, that the line that connects the line that connects corresponding points on the object and image, a straight line through corresponding points on the object and image must pass through the center of enlargement. So how would we use this principle to determine the center of enlargement? We need to draw at least two straight lines through two different pairs of corresponding vertices on the object and on the image. The center of enlargement is where the two straight lines meet. We need to draw at least two straight lines through through two different pairs of corresponding vertices on the object and on the image. The center of enlargement is where the two straight lines meet. Let's have a look at an example. All right, this example says, the diagram on the answer sheet shows triangle LMN and its image under an enlargement.
Right.
And its image, it should be on its image, L prime, M prime, N prime, under an enlargement. You're asked to I, state the coordinates. All right, the diagram I'm guessing is on the next page of L prime, M prime, and N prime. You're asked to find C, the center of enlargement. You're asked what is the scale factor of enlargement? And you're told that the area of the area of LMN is equal to 3 square units. It's where you see that square, it shouldn't be there. It should be square units. So it should be 3. This shouldn't be there. It should be square units. So the area of the object triangle LMN is 3 square units. It says use a calculation method to determine the area of, so you need to determine the area of L prime, M prime, N prime. So those are the 3 things that we should do. So let's just go to the next page and see the scenario. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to pause, and I want you to see if you could attempt the question. I'm going to pause, and I want you to see if you can attempt the question. All right, and then I'll resume recording and do the question for you. All right, so to solve this question, the first thing we're asked to do is to state the coordinates of L prime, M prime, and N prime. So L prime, the coordinates of L prime is 4, 9. The coordinates of M prime is 2, 7. The coordinates of N prime is 8, 7. No, not 8, 7, it's 8, 5. 8, 5. And this would be 2, 5, not 2, 7. 2, 5. All right, so that's the first thing we're asked to do. State the coordinates of L prime, M prime, and N prime. We're asked to find the center of enlargement. To find the center of enlargement, I'm going to draw straight lines through M and N, M prime and N. All right. All right, let's try and get that done better. All right. Now to also connect what? I'm going to draw straight lines through N and N prime. And where the two straight lines meet, the two straight lines will meet at the center of enlargement. All right, so this is answer for I. The answer for I, C, the center of enlargement is 0, 1. That's 0 on the X, 1 on the Y. It's 0, 1. All right. Next, we're told that we're asked to find K, the 13K. K is equal to length of one side on image divided by length of corresponding side on object. So I could see K would be equal to M prime N prime over M N. Now M prime, N prime, if it counts, you get what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So M prime, N prime is 6. Divide by Mn, which is 1, 2, 3. K is equal to, divide by 3, K is equal to minus 2. The scale factor K is equal to minus 2. Why minus 2? Minus 2 because the object and image are on opposite sides of the center of enlargement. K is negative when the object and image are on opposite sides of the center of enlargement. All right. So lastly, we're told that the area of triangle LMN is equal to 3 square units. And we're asked to find the area of L prime, M prime, N prime. Now, the area K square is equal to area of image divided by area of object. All right. So K square, K is what? 2. So it's minus 2 square is equal to the area of triangle L prime, M prime, N prime over the area of LMN, which is 6, which is 3, we were told. So now I'm going to cross multiply and say that the area of triangle L prime, M prime, N prime would be equal to minus 2 square, which is 4, times 3, which is equal to 12. 4 times 3 which is equal to 12 square units. So the last part of the question, I use the fact that k squared is equal to the area of the image divided by the area of the object. Let us see if there is, what else is there? This is another interesting question. It's an enlargement question. All right. But I think I'm going to break the video here and then we'll come back to do this question.